So we're on Icon of the Sea, and this is our stateroom. This is what it looks like. We got a sofa, table over here, our bed, a TV. There's our balcony. And this, from this angle, as you can see it much better. They have more storage on this this cruise for the stateroom than the other cruises that we went on. There's a table, lots of storage, plenty of space. Yeah, so it's pretty spacious, nice. Well, here it is, our room for the next 7 days. Icon of the Sea. This is our restroom. These restrooms are here. Very nice. So here's a standing shower.
Hi.
Hi. So here's a standing. Yes. Okay. Good job. This is the standing shower. It has a seat. You need to sit down while you shower. Plenty of space and room and shelves in here.
Bye, guys.
Spacious.
Ow, ow,
More shelf.
Ow, 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 ow.
Little hooks here. And then there's cabinets and closet over here. Okay. And your clothes. More storage down there. There's another shelf. This one has a safe. More space. We're settling in. Hello. Oh my God.
Hmm?
Oh my gosh, she's so hungry. Are you hungry?
You eat earlier, baby. There's a lot of food out there.
She probably felt hungry now because she burned it all off.
Oh.
So here's the refrigerator. Good girl, baby.
Mommy, you gotta take a picture of me.
So
It fits too.
Yeah, of course it fit. All right, can you put the ice pack in there too? There's an ice pack
Where?
in your black bag.
Really?
You have to put that at the bottom, baby. That's the freezer.
Why?
That's the freezer up there. You put it at the bottom.
Why?
The bottom is not a freezer. Yeah.
It doesn't fit.
Can you put it on the side? Does that thing come off, baby? The shelf. Let Daddy take off the shelf. Yeah. Okay, there you go. So, okay. Okay, now you can put that back so we know where the freezer is at. There you go. Now you can put the pack in there. There's an ice pack.
Let me.
So there's a little refrigerator.
Oh yeah, Mommy.
Yep, put it on top. Hiding under the shelf. Thank you. Can you close the cabin?
What
Right here. Close the door here.
Oh. Thank you.
So refrigerator's hidden in the cabinet. Okay, now I'm going to show you the outside of our balcony. It's pretty hot. Ooh, it's hot. It is hot here in Miami today. But there's a little breeze, so it's kind of nice. It's Miami buildings and the beach, the ocean. It's so nice. Look at all that. You see the bridge over there. Let me show you the rest of how the balcony is. So there's 2 chairs and 1 round table for you to sit outside and relax, even a footrest for you. I mean, the balcony is a good size, so can't complain. Okay, that's it for now. Hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye-bye.